previously we were talking about US30 moving to these sessions here, giving us this touches here. Then we're looking at these levels here to give us this our nice reversal patterns here on US30, so that we can have our push to the downside is what we're looking for. Okay, so as I was going through this chart this morning, then I was looking at this way and other way around that. Looking at this way, the other way around that. The other possibilities to that can also play out, even though we analyze this way, we forecasted this way. We forecasted this way that we're looking for US30 to push downwards. So I think this is what we forecasted, right? While looking at things, this scenario is very, very possible to play out. Okay, so you can have US30 making that touch here, and giving us this first touch, second touch, then the third touch here, pushing down because of this nice reversal pattern creating here, giving us this nice double bottom here and moving nicely into the downside. This scenario is also possible. And then let's look at this scenario a bit. So we may have something like this and US30 playing out. We may have a move like this, and then we have this session here. So this session looks quite also nice too, because some of these things are the things that we should always keep our eye on. Okay, shouldn't be facing one thing playing out. Okay, so this one thing I was also looking at it, because when you look at this session here, this move here, this looks like what our impulsive is, and we know when price impulse like to form this type of correction. So this one giving us a little, not our too perfect bullish flag, though giving us that type of running channel to push to the upside. Okay, so we'll probably get a push down this way, giving us two touches below, then a push up, push up, push up, to finally going toward these sessions here, giving us or making us a third touch, and then finally coming into the downside. This is also possible. So let's look at how USD will move to these sessions, then we can see other ways that USD might change direction. Okay, so when you look on the M15, I think you can see much clearer of what I'm saying. So you have this session and this session, and then you divide this session is what our first session. Within it we have another impulse. So this also look like our second another session here. This look like another session here that we have here. It's another impulse, continuation impulse. So we have this and this here, and we have this and this here. Giving us what this session is here. So we have first and second and third session. So probably we can get a push downwards, giving us a third confirmation, and then we can have a push up, moving to this session, giving us what 1, 2, 3 sessions. And then you can have US30 committing to this side, giving us not first touch, second touch, third touch confirmation before finally moving to the upside and moving to the downside. Or if you don't get that session, you don't get that touch, you can have US30 probably what moving to this session and coming to this session here before finally committing to the upside. Okay, so if they have these sessions playing out, the next session that we can look forward, US30 can just probably push up, giving us a nice continuation flag, push up, continue moving up. If not that session, so it can also give us our old scenario that we forecasted, that pushing, faking people out, then we're finally coming to the downside, then we're moving to the downside. So these are some of the scenarios or the possible ways we'll be looking at US30. Okay, so let's just keep our eyes open I have also this. Not committing on that side. I have also this. So let's just keep our eyes open on US30 and any changes on it, I'll keep you guys posted on it. I'll keep you guys posted. So a quick update on gold. A quick update on gold. Okay. So I think yesterday we focused on our gold. Give us this line continuation pattern to what? Push upside. Okay, to push upside. So we can see there's more bullish momentum on what go down because of this our session here was what our impulsive phase. This session was our impulsive phase. And what this session was our continuation phase that is forming currently for me. I will have another push up. Okay, I will have another push up. But before that, this push will get that push up. We can see what we have two touches below. We have two touches below on this corrective phase here. Okay, and when we look at how price is moving correctively in this session, we are possibly going to make another touch here before price committing to the upside, giving us this first touch, second touch, third touch, and price what committed to the upside down. I'm sorry, committed to the upside, committed to the upside. Okay, so we are really looking for a third touch confirmation. Third touch confirmation here. So let's look on the M5. Let's look on the M5. So on the M5, we can see what I just talked about. Okay, so let's look at how price move. Let's look at how price move here. Okay, let's just look at how price move here. You can see this move corrective. Why did it move momentum? Okay, price move correctly at this session here. At this session here. So this pattern here gave us like a corrective phase of the market. So this look like what not our skill paper ascending pattern, but what that's it. That's our ascending pattern. Okay. When you compare this momentum, when you compare this momentum here, so you see it's a little different momentum. Okay, so there's momentum here and then here's our pricing forward. So because of that judgment and how price moved to this session, so we are looking for a push down, giving us this third touch, first touch, second touch, third touch confirmation for for gold to push up. Okay, so we just have a quick trade here. My team has a quick trade here. I have just taken a nice quick trade here. So we're looking to make some nice profits. Looking to make some nice profit. Looking to make some nice profit. Making some nice profit. So what? 3%, 3.85% on this go through. So I'll keep you guys updated on any changes on what gold. Okay. And then guys, let's look at a quick review of DE30. DE30. Okay. So that's German 30. So German 30. We have price moving in this nice descending channel. Price moving in this nice descending channel here. To probably get a nice descending channel move to the downside. Okay, so in the longer term, I'll keep you guys posted on it. But within it, you can have what a push down here. You see a push down here, giving us this corrective phase. So what probably move to this session, or just giving us this first touch, third touch confirmation. Or price finally. Later price finally committing to the downside. Okay, so my team and I just saw some quick trade on it and then wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so when you look within it, we can see what is moving correctly as a continuation pattern to impulse down. Okay, that's how it's moving. Okay, but within it, you can see that what price make two touches above this trend line here. So we are looking for the third touch confirmation here so that we can get a selling opportunity here and we'll move toward the downside. Okay, that's what we are probably focusing on, moving on it. Okay, but when we look within it, okay, price has given this first touch, second touch confirmation here, moving, giving us a push, giving us another concentration for price to probably move to this session. So when either price 2 weeks, we can be looking for what a push here, giving us what a double top confirmation here to confirm our first touch, second touch with a double top confirmation in price committing to this side downside. Okay, or if otherwise we don't get that push, what we can get now what a push up to this session here before price will finally committing to the downside. There are other ways that we can look at it. Okay, price can probably give us this nice push, from another continuation pattern, moving to this session before finally committing to the downside. Finally committing to the downside. So we can see when we go on the 15 minutes, we can have a nice setup here. So we have these sessions here. So we have these sessions here. We have this session here. So this is what we use. That's our reversal. Yeah. And then we have this nice push up. We don't have this nice flag for price to committing to the upside. Okay. So let's see how price will play out. So if we get to this session, I'll keep you guys posted and see any development on it. So within the day, you guys should just keep following up on this space and see how base you can get trading opportunities on this space and make some cool cash on it. Okay. So guys, hello guys. On our trade on EURJPY, we have this session here. So that was this session from the last week that we had a nice sell here. And so we're looking for another short term sell. We have this nice continuation pattern finally from it. So push the downside to this level. Okay. So this is a quick update on this space. Okay, you guys should have just within it and all. We're looking for those push and then continuation cases to get opportunities and then enter into this market and we'll make some profit in the market, make some cool profit in the market. Okay, so I'll keep you guys posted on any development. Today, stay safe and then we'll have a nice trading day. Let's be humble, because if you're not humble, the market will humble you. Okay? Yeah, and then wait for the next